would see a penguin the first time, we are gone. So I traveled with a Russian icebreaker, friendly at this time, down to the Antarctica, and we projected this beautiful, beautiful Fata Antarctica, a polar bear where the penguins are. To make it short, what I'm doing, the best is I show you a short movie, 14 minutes, and I don't have to talk, and it's very emotional, and you see what a small team of people can do around the world with passion, know-how, leadership, creativity, and the willingness to go over the line to realize it, even when it's dangerous.
The Earth, a complex system of water, ice, rocks, sand, and trees. On this extraordinary planet, a community began. Different cultures evolved, and some died out. The growing population asked for communication to enable everybody to understand everybody. Conveying messages is one of the most important parts of life for any individual. And in this fast-moving world, the question came up how a message can be designed in such a way that it can be transmitted to other parties so that this message is seen, has an impact, and triggers the expected reaction of the audience. There is one man who came up with the idea that the solution would be light in combination with art. Gerry Hofstetter from Switzerland. His vision is to put messages onto monuments, buildings, and landscapes with pictures and graphics for a short moment. With his utmost passion for life, people, and nature, Hofstetter believes that this artful form of communication is the most effective way to deliver a highly emotional message directly to the heart of the people on our planet. With an unparalleled drive and amazing endurance, he travels around the world, trusting his education and vast experience, no matter how inhospitable the environment and forbidding the terrain, so as to transform monuments and landmarks into temporary light art sculptures.
One of the most historical landmarks in our history was obviously the Monetary Conference of 1944. The room we're actually sitting in is the Gold Room. And this is the location where all the major delegates came, sat down, and signed off on the Bretton Woods Conference papers. We created the World Bank, which Switzerland has been a part of for celebrating, I believe, their 25th anniversary as part of the IMF. And so the significance of this property is truly international. So we have international guests that come here, not only because of the heritage of the economic conference, but also because of it is a glorious, iconic New England.
Scottsbluff National Monument was established.
Tonight, I would like you to learn to listen with your eyes.
Gerry says there are three things that all people on our planet can understand without knowing the language of the other person: light, colors, and music. Gerry's and Celine's craftsmanship of light art communication is the fastest and most emotional tool to bring a message to people in business and art.
Ignition sequence starts. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine run. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour.
Washington is said to have said to the troops, for God's sakes, whatever you do, stay by your commanding officers. He knew he had one shot.
The Wright brothers chose this location in 1900 for the wind, sand, and privacy. It was the perfect location to do their experiments.
About these two brothers, we discovered, that's the reason why we selected that place, they have roots of Switzerland.
One of the interesting connections to Switzerland is the 20 millimeter Oerlikon anti-aircraft gun.